Thank you, Eugene. I don't want to have to follow him. I can't tell you how delighted I am to welcome you to Georgia State University College of Law, Atlanta, and to the 6th Annual National HBCU Pre-Law Summit and Law Expo 2019. I'm going to ask that you indulge me and that I'm going to brag about Georgia State a little bit more, try not to cover the same things that Eugene just did. But I think it helps to explain why I am absolutely thrilled to welcome the summit back to Georgia State and to see all of you here. Georgia State University has become a leader in student success, and through sustained efforts over the last decade has become the first university to eliminate the graduation gap based on race, ethnicity, and income. Yeah, it really deserves that applause. There were people who said it could not be done. When our colleagues who have been leading this have gone to other institutions to talk about it, they said they were lying. They did that without changing the fact that we have, as Eugene pointed out, one of the most diverse student bodies out there. I take great pride of being at an institution that has put their investment in all of its students. Georgia State also graduates more African Americans than any other nonprofit institution in the country. At Georgia State Law, in addition to those accolades that Eugene pointed out, we've also been consistently ranked a best diversity school. And the reason why I share those comments with you is not to underscore how great we are, although I'm very proud of it, but really to underscore how we support the mission of what this summit is about. I really am delighted to have you here and to recognize law is not nearly as diverse as it ought to be, as it could be, or as it needs to be. And despite popular depictions of lawyers out there, and I do collect them all, and I was at a meeting yesterday where lawyers were referred to as perhaps being in the underworld, I view lawyers as problem solvers, right? And if you've been paying attention, there are a lot of problems out there in the world, some very complex, important problems that need our attention. And we will be much better equipped to address those problems if your voices, if your talents are at the table and contributing to that problem solving. We know from evidence that diverse groups do just a better job of it. So we need to figure out, we need you in the profession. Lawyers have an impact well beyond their practice as well, whether it's in the courtroom, in the boardroom, wherever they happen to be. They're leaders in all areas of life as well. So again, we need your leadership, we need your involvement. So I hope, as have already been urged, that you go out, you participate fully in this summit that is here for you. I hope that you're going to be inspired by the speakers and their paths as you listen to them, that you're going to connect with and support each other on this journey, and that as you begin to envision your place in the law. And finally, I hope that I'm going to get a chance to talk to you. I will be around, and also I will be at our table tomorrow, but I also hope that I'm going to welcome you as colleagues in the practice of law sometime in the not too distant future. So thank you very much. We're so glad that you are here.